Hey, it's Kristen with The Wayward Home, and today we're going to be talking about something super exciting, camper van conversion kits. Now, I really like camper van conversion kits because they're kind of a hybrid between a DIY van and getting a custom build. You can buy parts and pieces, you can put them in at your leisure, and it costs way less than a custom build, but it makes a DIY van a lot easier. So what we did with my Sprinter van here is we did Sprinter van flares from Flare Space. Now, these are fiberglass pieces that you put on the aft rear panels of your van, and this allows you to sleep sideways. And so we were able to do that as a DIY project, and that's a camper van conversion kit for the bed area of the van, and it just made it so much easier than if we were going to do that ourselves. It would have been impossible to get those fiberglass molds and to put that whole thing together, and it also came with a bed. Now, camper van conversion kits are a whole different range of products. You can get one kit, which I'll show you later in this video, but it's from Wagon. It's an entire interior kit with an L-track system, and then you can hang things on the L-track like cupboards and kitchen units and bed units, and it all works together. Now, when I was in Portland last summer, I did get to tour 2 of these camper van conversion kit companies, and I'm gonna give you a look around. So this is from episode 5 of the Wayward Home podcast, and so just click below and subscribe to the podcast. I talk all about van life and camper van conversions, sailboats, tiny living, everything that has to do with downsizing your life and becoming more free and living in a smaller space. So go on and subscribe to my podcast. I'd really appreciate it. So now let's go take a look around of these 2 camper van conversion companies that I got to tour. We're here at Adventure Wagon's headquarters. This is an interior kit company meant for the DIY van builder. They have interior kits, insulation kits, and we're really excited to go check it out, see what they have to offer at this company. So let's go. We met up with Adventure Wagon's marketing director, Kurt Schneider, who led us outside to a couple of Ford Transit camper vans with interior kits already loaded.
Black anodized track and then bamboo ceilings over here.
Oh, cool. This Ford Transit van is lined with gray upholstery with a horizontal L-track system, which allows you to mount bed frames, upper cabinetry, and kitchen units.
It's just kind of like a head start on a DIY project. But of course, we also do our 5-day factory install here in Portland.
If you do decide to go at it alone, the interior kit can take anywhere from between 4 and 14 days to install.
You know, there's some riveting, riv nuts. That's kind of the most intense part, other than maybe cutting a hole in the top of your van for a fan.
The interior kit starts at about $13,500. It's not cheap, but it has all the pieces you need to get your van interior up to par.
So there are pre-cut panels, pre-cut insulation, hush mat. Everything's meant to just kind of like make it as easy as possible.
Another product on offer at Adventure Wagons is the Moab bed system, a 1 or 2 panel bed that can be moved up and down the L-track depending on where you want it.
So you can just take these 3 panels out, super easy, unscrew the bolts right here, and then move this rail to wherever you want, and then put the panels back.
There are also these mule bags, soft overhead storage lockers that also connect to the L-track. Oh, this is a big space. Next, we head into the back warehouse where everything is created right here on scene in Tigard. Adventure Wagons is enjoying the boom in van life. They're about to complete their 1,000th van install.
We're busy. We just moved into this facility, so this is about 4 times the size of our previous facility.
The warehouse is packed with boxes of van parts. There's a CNC machine making Moab beds and a large garage area dedicated to installation. Adventure Wagon is a great option if you're looking for an easier way to DIY your van. You can either install the entire kit yourself. They have them for both Mercedes Sprinter vans and Ford Transits, or you can bring it right into Adventure Wagon for a 5-day install. Adventure Wagon also has a slew of certified installers across the U.S. who can put the units in right for you. I'm Kristen Haynes at Adventure Wagon headquarters, signing out. So next we visited Flatline Van Co in Scappoose, Oregon, which is just outside Portland. You could basically put in an Adventure Wagon interior kit and finish it off with individual components like a kitchen and bed from Flatline. Let's take a quick tour of that factory. There's a bustling operation here, a warehouse full of stacked boxes, built-out vans, and parts waiting to be shipped to van owners everywhere. We are excited to see your roof racks and if you have any galley units out.
Yeah, definitely. Sauce, is your van unlocked?
I met up with Flatline Van Company co-owner Kevin Callahan, who took us outside to give us the grand tour of a couple of camper vans sporting Flatline products.
So it comes out of the crate just like this. It doesn't have a sink cut into it, so it's...
Kevin is showing me a small galley unit they have online. It comes with a butcher block top and cabinetry in either 24 inches or 48.
We want to bridge into people being able to build out their van themselves and still have a beautiful finish thing, kind of like the IKEA kitchen cabinets.
Besides kitchen units, there are bed systems, cabinetry, shelving, and storage solutions, and then exterior products like ladders, awnings, and roof racks. Flatline offers 2 roof racks, the super lightweight and minimalistic low pro roof rack, and the heavier safari rack.
They come in a crate, so it's fully finished. If it's on the website, it's in stock. We ship it within a couple of days. It's usually 3 to 5 days for LTL to get delivered, depending on where you are and how annoying that LTL company is.
And if you don't want to do the work yourself, Flatline has a list of recommended van builders across the country who can install any of these products for you. What we liked about Flatline Van Company is that everything they show on their website is currently in stock. You won't have to wait months for a part, a problem plaguing many companies these days. If you see sold out, the item isn't available. So far, Flatline has parts for sprinters and transits and will soon branch into the ProMaster market. I'm Kristin Haynes at Flatline headquarters, signing out. Well, I hope you enjoyed looking around Adventure Wagon and Flatline Van Company. Both of those companies have really cool parts and pieces for sprinter vans and transits. Now, since I did record that podcast episode a few months ago, Flatline Van has come out with a whole slew of products for ProMasters. There aren't many products for ProMaster conversions on the market yet, but Flatline is jumping ahead of the curve there and has all sorts of cool interior parts and exterior parts like roof racks for the ProMaster. So just go to their website. I'll actually put a link below to Flatline Van Company and Adventure Wagon. And I also have an article on the Wayward Home of 11 different camper van conversion companies. There are so many now popping up that it's really great for the DIY van builder, so I encourage you to go check that out. So I hope you like this video. Go ahead and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also be sure to subscribe to the Wayward Home podcast. Looking forward to seeing you over there.